Hello, and welcome to IMI PBM, a prominent worldwide manufacturer of safe, reliable, high-quality valves. IMI PBM valve's self-flushing ball technology is the safest and most effective way to thoroughly clean valve internals without removing the valve from the process line. One of the biggest criticisms of ball valves is that the product gets trapped in the cavity. When process lines are flushed via CIP or SIP, some product may remain in the valve cavity and could only re-enter the flow stream when the valve is cycled. To avoid this possible source of contamination, the valve must be cycled several times during the cleaning process to flush out the cavity. IMI PBM's self-flushing ball technology joins the cavity of the valve with the piping when the valve is open. The holes allow the product to fill the cavity just as it fills the piping. When flushing the lines, the cleaning fluid fills the cavity and displaces the product. The cleaning principle is nothing more than fluid turbulence. Just as a short blind T is acceptable and will clean, the valve cavity acts as a short T so that turbulence will thoroughly clean the entire valve internals. Tests at IMI PBM and third-party testers using hard-to-flush lotions and shampoos confirm this principle. These tests were conducted with 160 degrees Fahrenheit flush water at the minimum specified flush velocity of 5 feet per second with excellent results. With IMI PBM's self-flushing technology, costly external purge ports or timely clean out-of-place processes are virtually eliminated, speeding up the cleaning process and providing quick line changeovers. No features of IMI PBM's valves are sacrificed using this technology. The valves remain double-seated with bi-directional shutoff when closed. The self-flushing ball feature can also be incorporated into our line of sanitary, fire test qualified ball valves, as well as clean steam valves.